This week, The Mandalorian Season 2 gets some new directors, we check out what fun activities you did on Star Wars Day, and we celebrate a very important birthday. Nope, it's not mine. Kristen Baver here with my co-pilot Hector Smidget, ready to jump into some Star Wars news. Ready? Big news from the Mandalorian crew. The second season is still a few months away, but last week we got some hints about a couple of new storytellers joining the enviable squad of directors for the series. Peyton Reed, who brought Ant-Man to the screen for Marvel, posted a simple photo of his director's chair and Mando's unmistakable bucket on May the 4th. And leaving no question about his announcement or his excitement, Robert Rodriguez brought us this sweet image from the set posing with the child. I am truly humbled to say I have now had the very rare privilege of directing the biggest star in the universe, he wrote. No disagreement there. This week in Star Wars history, we're celebrating something extra special. Today, we'd like to wish the maker himself, George Lucas, a very special and happy birthday! Woo! From the blazing hot twin suns of Tatooine to the metropolis of Coruscant, we have his brilliant imagination to thank for the amazing galaxy that we all love to explore. More than 40 years ago, George Lucas brought that vision to the screen and changed cinematic special effects forever. But Star Wars has also always been about the characters he created and the simple yet powerful stories of good and evil told with plenty of humor. Happy birthday, Mr. Lucas! Speaking of Star Wars, last week we asked to see what fun activities you were up to on Star Wars Day, and it looks like you all had a ball. Andy sent in this adorable photo from a May the 4th drive. Gabby watched the Clone Wars while making this beautiful Ahsoka embroidery. Brett showed off his awesome Han Solo cosplay and took some self-portraits. Mike went around the neighborhood as Darth Vader and helped put a few smiles on people's faces. Aaliyah celebrated in her stylish Her Universe droid and Princess Leia ears. Jake suited up, drank blue milk, and watched the rise of Skywalker with his girlfriend. And Charles got some lightsaber training in with his Padawans. A big Star Wars Day thank you to everyone who tweeted photos of their celebrations. That's it for this week, but for more on these stories and other news from around the galaxy, check out StarWars.com. And be sure to join us right here for This Week in Star Wars every Thursday. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you.